Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Sitara. Today we are going to learn some important vocabulary words from the editorial section of the Hindu newspaper. This will help you in the preparation of your competitive exam. So let's start. Our first word is unprecedented, which means never seen before. Next, revoke, to cancel officially. Next, ambiguous, unclear. Next, entity, an independent unit or organization. Next, legitimate, which means lawful or valid. Next, entail, which means to involve. Next, abuse, misuse or mistreatment. Next, mediate, to resolve conflict between two sides. Next, taint, to be likely to do something. Next, revelation, which means surprising new information. Next, cease, to stop. Next, disrupt, to interrupt or disturb. Next, exception, freedom from a rule or duty. Next, convenience, ease or usefulness. Next, render, which means to make or cause. Next, inadequate, which means not enough. Next, breach, which means breaking a rule or law. Next, erasure, which means removal or deletion. Next, comprehensive, which means complete and detailed. Next, obscure, which means unclear or unknown. Thank you for learning.